Hey y'all, I wanted to start out by saying my name is Charity. Thank you for clicking on this video. These are some of my fur babies, Waylon and Loretta, and I'm fixing to show you Dolly. I'm a fur mama of 2 horses, 2 goats, 1 cow, 2 cats, 7 chickens, 1 bunny, and 3 dogs. So yes, that is 18 animals I own, and not all of them are at this property, but I love them all. Anyway, so if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. And let's get into this. This is my cow Dolly, and she is a bottle baby. We got her in February of last year. Oh wait, February of this year, I'm sorry. February of this year, and she will be a year old very, very soon. I can't even believe that it's been that long already. Y'all, I would love for y'all to subscribe. We're fixing to be moving again. We can't have our horses at this property. So if that's something that y'all might be interested in watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you be part of my YouTube family. And if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment box. I'll be doing a Q&A really soon. And if there's any questions you have for my husband about all the animals or whatever, go ahead and put those down too. And we will both be doing a Q&A, which should be really fun. So make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell so that you're notified every time we upload. I'm also a mama of 4 girls. Yes, 4 girls. I forgot to tell y'all, 3 of my daughters do not live at home, only the youngest stays at home now. And the other 2 of them are married and 1 is not. But Mahela is the only one that's still at home. She's my youngest, and my oldest daughter, well, one of my oldest daughters, Cheyenne, has her own channel, and I'll put it somewhere up here on the screen and let y'all know what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna stop rambling and let y'all hear what's going on with this cow.
Is that right? Yeah, hi. Yeah, hi. Don't stick your... What are you doing? Dolly, seriously. You're too cute. You're too cute, but you're mean sometimes. You gonna run? You gonna run? You gonna run? Big old heifer. Get it. Don't you do it, Dolly. Stop. Be nice. What? Dolly, be nice. Scoot your big butt over. You're being mean. These are my bodyguards. They help me, huh? Say, I help mommy. I help mommy. Yeah, him helps mama. She gets sassy attitude sometimes too, don't you? Don't you, heifer? Say, I get a sassy attitude too. Oh yeah. Dolly, don't do that. She likes licking my boots when I come out. You gonna clean them up? You gonna clean up Mama's boots? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi, sweetie. He's the sweetest. Him's the sweetest. Him's Mama's sweet boy. Yeah. Him's Mama's sweet boy. Dolly, don't you do that. I love you, heifer. I love you, heifer. I love you, heifer. Let me see your messed up hair. Hey. Let me see your messed up hair. Let me see your messed up hair. You're so cute. You're so cute. You ain't nothing but a 1,000-pound baby. That's all you are. You big old heifer. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Look at that smile. Lord, I love it. Let me see the smile. Hi, buddy. Hey, you're so cute. And yes, I do plan on taking all of them, all 3 of them, to Tractor Supply to get pictures done with Santa. Wanna go get pictures done with Santa? We didn't get to last year because of COVID, but this year, Waylon, you wanna go see Santa? You wanna go see Santa? Look at that. Look at that. He smiles so much, y'all. He loves Smiley. Him's my Smiley goat. My Smiley goat. Oh, Dolly, you are all up in the camera. Hey, Retta, what are you doing? She's trying to get my phone out of my back pocket. Leave things alone. You two girls, y'all something. Y'all just about like the other girls I had. Okay, y'all, so this is my coffee table I bought a while back. And we had it in the RV at the other house. And I'm gonna pull it out and clean it up and put it in the living room, so. Y'all get to watch me pull this thing out if I can. If I can. Alright, I'm just gonna clean it up now. So. Y'all, I thought about painting this or staining it, so let me know what y'all think after I get it cleaned up. If y'all think I should paint it or stain, not paint, stain, or if I should just leave it alone. Here's a big old spider. Ooh, he's fun. I think it had been in somebody's garage. I paid $40 for it, but I love anything that's like the wagon wheel. So that's what sold me on it. I like anything Western, wagon wheel, rustic, country, you know, all the things. All the things I am, I guess. It looks like somebody may have painted it red to begin with and then painted it brown. It looks like it's been multicolors. Multicolors. I'm gonna tighten up these legs. Oh, it looks like there's a spider web thing in it. I'll get Shannon to tighten those up in a minute, or in a little bit. He went to lay down, he's not feeling great. Oh, there's that spider. Yay, I found him again. He's just sticking around. Alright, get out of there. Where are you? I don't see you flying out of that rag. Y'all, I'm a little paranoid about spiders because I was bit a while back, like a few years back, by brown recluse, and I still have a scar from it. I'm not afraid of crickets or anything like that. Spiders, I've had my fair share of fun with those. So just so y'all can see this, this is what it looks like from the top. It's not fancy, it's not really cute right now, but I say if I stain it, it would look a lot better. And I'm almost 100% I'm gonna do that.
I would love to hear y'all's opinion. Should I stain it, paint it, or just give me some ideas? What do y'all think?
Possibly, but I just thought it was cute. My package still hasn't came in yet. I'm still waiting.
Ready to start zooming. So you get too full. Hey, Trey.
Scrubbing her bike. Scrubbing it. Scrub it, Miss Clean. Okay, y'all. So we're sitting here and I'm scrolling through Facebook and I find this. Oh, I can't. It's not in focus. Okay, and it's like calling the Grinch. So we're fixing how it goes. See if it's actual, legit.
It's time. Thank you for calling the office of the Speaker of the House, Nancy Pelosi. We value hearing from you. To listen to this menu in English, please stay on the line. para la prensa española sin
Okay, so it's Nancy Pelosi apparently is the Grinch. And my package still hasn't arrived. It said it should be here by 9 tonight, 8 or 9 tonight. The cow's not outside right there, is she?
Wait, I want to lick my tongue.
Anyway, we're sitting here watching It's All Messy and Fearfully Created and Tiffany, Thrifty Tiffany, not just Tiffany. And what's it called? Moss Backwoods Mountain or something. I don't remember what it is. But those are few that I watch. What are you doing? Anyway, my package comes in. I will show y'all, but I don't think it's coming in today. Hey y'all, I'm just gonna fix the animals some popcorn, and then I'm gonna feed it to them out the window in the living room. I know they're spoiled. I can't do that. I love them. But I promised them earlier that I would make them some popcorn. So that's what I'm gonna do. Also, I'm still waiting on my package to come in. I know my hair looks a wreck, but I don't care. You shouldn't either. Okay. Let's see, does this have popcorn? Okay, start. Anyway, I may have to do my haul tomorrow because my package, it says it's en route or route. I don't know which one y'all say. I say route. It says it's en route. So I'm gonna let y'all see me feed the goats and the cows some popcorn, and then that'll be the end of this video. So I hope you'll like, share, and subscribe. And if you're not subscribed to my daughter Cheyenne's channel, go ahead and check her out. So I think it's under the Crazy Crane or the Crane family. I'll find out and I'll put it up here. So if y'all are not subscribed, go subscribe to her. She's working really hard to try and get her name out. Okay, y'all. So I'm making some popcorn and we're gonna go feed the cow and goats some popcorn. I promised them earlier I would, and they're outside my window in the living room bellowing, so I think they said it's time. And I'm also still waiting on my package to arrive. It should be here by 9 and it's already 8:53. It's not here yet. I think it burnt. Anybody else have a problem with their stuff burning? I hope y'all can see them. Let me move that. And that. I left no screen on this one because I wanted to be able to pet them and stuff outside the window. Hi! Love his smile, it's so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna try and set. Okay, y'all, so I have y'all set up on a tripod right now. Hey, where you going? I got popcorn. Popcorn time. Hold on, it's hot, be careful. It's hot, be careful, okay? Hey, nice, let Cece get some. Here, Retta, oh, don't bite my finger. Y'all are too cute. Sorry, Retta, Bubba won't let me get it to you, baby. Retta, come on, Dolly, come get you some. Come on, Dolly. Bubby, you are so into this popcorn, aren't you, buddy? Hey, you bit my finger again. Oh, don't worry. Dolly got some popcorn. I had to throw it over the bush because she can't get to where the goats are. But she enjoyed it just as much as they did. Thanks, y'all, for watching. I love you. Hope you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye, y'all.